Hey everybody, how's it going? I did a live video the other day and everybody saw it was about 80 degrees outside. It was high 70s, 79, 78. And last night it actually dropped down to 29. So I'm glad I got out here and put the food on the hives before it got too cold. We got a little bit of bee activity, but not a lot. So what I'm trying to do today is I went down to my local hardware store, Lowe's, and you see the back of my truck, I got some 4x4 posts, and the expansion that I was talking about the other day with the apiary, I'm gonna start today. So on this side you see I've got all my hives, and I'm gonna try to clean up. I melted some wax last night, and I'm gonna put some stands over here on this other side of the driveway for nukes, and I'm gonna leave this side for 10 frames, and gonna carry you along for the journey. I'm gonna try to I can't really make changes on those hives over there yet, but I'm gonna try to do some shifting around over there with the blocks and whatnot to change it up. So at any rate, without further ado, stand by and we'll get to it. Thanks. stabbed in the side of the head. All right, so phase one of the apiary expansion is up. I've still got 6 4x4s that I'm going to end up replacing on the other side to lower those hives down, because the cinder blocks are faced up and down as compared to sideways like these. These are much easier to manage, especially when they get heavy. And since this is going to be where my nukes are, right now I've got 11 nukes out here. Let me see, I got 12, 13, I don't know, I got 13 or 14 nukes available to me. Actually more than that. I've got more stuff sitting over there. And what I want to do is go ahead and make those 14 hives that I still have right now that are making it through the winter. I'm going to split the 10 frame. I'm going to basically take a split off of each one of those hives and try to move the nukes that I have, the 3 nukes that have made it through the winter, and move those into 10 frames. So just basically starting a hive, letting it expand, grow it into a 10 frame, split the 10 frame back to nukes. So I'm constantly just expanding and rotating, trying to build an ecosystem on my hives. So I do have to buy some equipment. I'm gonna have to buy a bunch of frames, and kind of hoping I would have been able to go to the Hive Life conference to be able to take advantage of some of those sales they're gonna have there, but it's not looking like it's in the works for this year. But you know, it is what it is, and we just keep going. But this enabled me to clean up some of the stuff that I just had sitting. Now they're set up, they look good. I don't know, I might get some paint and touch some of this stuff up before the season. The main thing is I don't want any of my neighbors complaining. Right now, you know, they kind of look like Charleston houses, all different colors in a row, and looks good from the road. But all the trash that I have, you know, from bees carrying out paper towels from the sugar, and bags that I had my sugar bricks in, stuff like that, don't look too attractive. So I'm trying to clean it up. The only thing is that every one of my racks has hives on it, that I was hoping it would have stayed a little bit cooler today, where I could have maybe moved them down, flipped the brick, and moved them back up. And I might still do that, but I just don't want them to get all upset, you know. Bitchy bees are not happy bees. But anyway, this is stage 1, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll take you through the rest of the year with us. Thanks. Okay, everyone. I was able to remove those 2 old posts on the ground right over there and lower this one down. But it was much more of a daunting task than I thought it would be. So, tell you what I've done, or what I'm trying to do, is I set a stand right there with the red hive on it. I moved it off of the other ones. Those other blocks are kind of leaning. So I moved this hive from right here to down here. However, I think it'll probably be better to wait until the bees are flying and it's warm out, maybe next week, and then I'll be able to break the hives apart, put a bottom board down, move a hive, take that bottom board, clean it off, move it over, put the other hive on it, and just keep doing that to move them a little bit, because I don't think the cold weather is over. You know, that way I'm not trying to lift as much weight as one time. But leave it in the comments what you think I should do, how I should do it, and then maybe we'll go with that way if it's better. So you guys let me know. Please give me a like, share, subscribe, thumbs up, and I appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching Walker Bee Ranch.